Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to rename group you created in Google Meet. The first thing you do is click on the group you want to rename, then you tap on the group icon of a pencil next to the word group. Tap on it. This will help you to name the group. So you name the group. Everyone in the group will say the name. Let's say our name is Have, and then click on save. Now you can also rename the group by clicking on the three dots at the top right corner and click on rename group. Let's say I want to rename the group to Pod, and I click on save. And that is how to rename group in Google Meet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.